Good morning. I hope everybody's good this morning. My name's Allie. If you've never been to my channel, thanks for coming. And to all my regular subscribers, I really appreciate it. Appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed, please do. You don't want to miss these nutty videos. Alright, so today I'm doing something a little crazy. Well, it's I made my own base color, and it's very odd, but we're gonna do it. So here it is. I don't know if you can see this color. It is Amsterdam's transparent red and one of their yellows, like nickel yellow or something like that. I mixed them together and added a little bit of white, titanium white in there. And this is what we got. So let's pour it on so we can blow it. I made way too much, but I thought I was going to do two canvases at first, so I'll just put it in a bottle or something. Who knows, I may end up doing another with this background. I thought it would be interesting. Let me get my hair dryer. Okay, let's blow this out. This is a pretty color. It's kind of pink in a way, but peach in a way, so kind of like it. Alright, so let's start adding colors. Now I'm going to try something different. I'm going to go, I'll try to do this very slowly. Like this, like off the thing, off the canvas, the thing, and then come around this way and go off. We'll see how it goes. Ooh, that's, look, not even as much pink. Right, maybe I should add a little. Make it even. Alright, and then just a wee bit of this pink. Just in certain areas. Oops, got my cup in it. Okay. Then some white. Now this is way too much, I believe. Okay. And then I want to add some blue. This is Ultramarine Blue. And some purple. Okay, and then I hate to add pink again because there's so much of it. Oh my gosh. That may be way too much. I don't know. Let me add a little of this. Okay. And a little bit of this turquoise. This is turquoise green. this is red violet. I don't know if that, I'm just gonna put a little bit of that. I think I've got enough hot paint for 5 paintings. All right, let's see what this looks like. Here we go. Well, let's torch it first. Yeah, this is ridiculous. I'm gonna have to get this off. I'll just do a little dabbing. Maybe I can get it off without wiping it. I think I can. Yeah, that, I don't know why it spread like that. I guess if I had it in a squeeze bottle, it wouldn't do that. I'll just kind of, there we go, that's much better. Look at the cells. This is pretty. There we go, and then over here too. Too much pink, but it's very pretty. What do you think? Boy, that was a quick video, huh? Let me just, I got plenty of this base color to fix it. There we go. Just dab it off like that, and then I'll put some more base down and fix it. All right, well, I will pick at this and let you see, or I guess I could just continue and let you watch me pick. All right, so I'm gonna make a few little designs with my finger, like little squiggles, like so. Oops, I didn't mean to do that much. Let me just dab it. Well, there, I'll fix that. I'll put some more on there. And like here. Instead of my finger, I'm going to use the back of this. Yeah. And this, I kind of wanted more pointed, like so. There we go. And put a little paint here. And fix it. I probably need to put a little more, but yeah, just a drop or two, like there, here. Okay. All right, and then I was kind of, let me get my little thingy here. I was gonna make it like, go like that, and like that. What do you think? Alright, thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this, let me know. Leave me a comment. And I will see you next video. Y'all take care, okay? Bye-bye.